Hi there, welcome to J Studio. Thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2025, but not sure which niche to choose? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down the top 9 most profitable and trending YouTube niches that have huge potential this year. Whether you want to make money, grow fast, or build a long-term brand, these niches can help you achieve your YouTube goals. So stick around till the end, because I'll also share pro tips on how to pick the best niche for you. Let's get started. Section 1. AI and Tech Trends. AI is taking over everything, and YouTube is no exception. Channels talking about AI tools, automation, and future tech are growing fast. If you love experimenting with AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or new AI gadgets, this niche is perfect. Monetization potential. AI tutorials, affiliate marketing, and software sponsorships. Section 2. Health and lifestyle. Health is wealth. If you're into fitness, mental health, or self-improvement, this niche has a massive audience. You can create videos on home workouts, nutrition tips, productivity hacks, and self-improvement strategies. Monetization potential. Brand deals, affiliate products, and digital products like fitness guides. Section 3. Travel and exploration. Who doesn't love to travel? Whether it's budget travel tips, hidden gems, or digital nomad lifestyle, people love watching travel content. Even if you're not traveling, you can make voiceover travel videos using stock footage. Monetization potential. Sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and tourism collaborations. Section 4. Make money online and business. Who doesn't want to learn how to make money? The online business space is booming, and people are always searching for legit ways to make money online, whether it's freelancing, dropshipping, or passive income strategies. Monetization potential. High-paying sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and course sales. Section 5. Gaming and esports. Gaming will never die. Whether you stream, review games, or create gaming tutorials, there's always an audience. You can focus on trending games, AI-powered game content, or competitive esports. Monetization potential. Super chats, sponsorships, and game-related affiliate programs. Section 6. Motivational and storytelling content. People love inspiring stories. Whether it's biographies of successful people, personal growth lessons, or real-life motivational speeches, this niche has evergreen demand. Monetization potential. Ad revenue, sponsorships, and book/course recommendations. Section 7. Content creation and social media growth. Want to help others grow their YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram? Many new creators are looking for tips on video editing, thumbnails, and YouTube SEO. If you figured out YouTube strategies, this niche can be super profitable. Monetization potential. Course sales, coaching, and sponsorships. Section 8. Unboxing and reviews. Love trying out new products? This niche is great if you enjoy reviewing tech gadgets, fashion items, or even everyday products. You can get free products from companies and make money through affiliate links. Section 9. AI-generated and faceless channels. Don't want to show your face? AI-generated channels are trending. You can create AI voiceover storytelling, explainer videos, or even AI art videos. With the right tools, you can automate content and grow fast. So, there you have it, the best YouTube niches for 2025. Now, the question is, which one will you choose? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and smash notification bell so you don't miss more YouTube tips. Adios.